7 no-equipment exercises to transform your body in 4 weeks. Just imagine you can achieve a strong, toned body without ever entering a gym. No equipment needed, just your body weight. Watch till the end to discover 7 exercises that can transform your physique and boost your fitness in just 1 month. VE that builds muscle and burns fat at once. Exercise 1, push-ups. Build muscle mass in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Strengthen your core, improve posture, and boost calorie burn. How to perform: lie face down, hands shoulder-width apart. Keep your body straight. Engage your core. Bend elbows to lower your chest and push back up. Exercise 2, jumping jacks. Burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and tone your body. How to perform: jump and spread legs while raising arms. Overhead. Return to starting position. Exercise 3, glute bridges. Strengthen your glutes and lower back. Improve core stability and reduce back pain. How to perform: lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Lift your hips to form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Exercise 4, squats. Strengthen your legs, core, and glutes. Improve posture and flexibility. How to perform: stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Lower into a squat position, keeping back straight. Exercise 5, lunges. Tone legs and glutes while improving balance. How to perform: step forward with one leg, creating a 90-degree angle. Return to starting position and switch legs. Exercise 6, planks. Strengthen your core and improve posture. How to perform: lie on your elbows, body straight from head to heels. Hold the position. Exercise 7, mountain climbers. Boost cardiovascular fitness and burn fat. How to perform: start in a plank position. Pull one knee toward your chest, alternating quickly. Stay consistent and watch your transformation in just 4 weeks. Subscribe for more fitness tips and exercise.